my name is Tony DeGraff from Burks and welcome to 143 Preston Street in Como, a superbly designed townhouse with amazing river views and a more than spacious interior. Come, experience it for yourself.
I'm slowly fading through the smoke. I can't hear my...
The large, centrally located kitchen has been fitted with top-of-the-range Miele appliances, a beautiful dark granite natural stone benchtop, and a super convenient bifold window adjacent to the alfresco. The hilltop location with a west-facing aspect will have you on top of the world watching the yacht sail by or enjoying our stunning late afternoon sunsets. Architecturally designed by Perth-renowned Peter Overman, both the flow of light and air through the home has been carefully considered, creating a space that is an absolute joy to live in.
My demons tell